The process of creating a CPU is nothing short of a marvel of engineering. CPU manufacturing process starts with the design and architecture phase. Engineers design the CPU's architecture, determining how the transistors, logic gates, and other elements will interact to perform computations. The primary material for CPUs is silicon derived from sand. Silicon is used for its excellent semiconductor properties. The silicon is purified and formed into large cylindrical ingots. These are sliced into thin wafers, which will become the base for the CPU. The process of fabricating a CPU on a silicon wafer is known as photolithography. This step involves creating intricate patterns of transistors on the wafer. The designs are transferred onto photomasks which define the layout of the circuits. The silicon wafer is coated with a light-sensitive material called photoresist. The wafer is exposed to ultraviolet light through the photomask, hardening the photoresist in specific areas. After exposure, the wafer undergoes etching to remove the exposed areas, leaving behind circuit patterns. Doping is used to modify the electrical properties of the silicon by bombarding the wafer with ions. The process is repeated to build up layers of circuits, creating modern CPUs with billions of transistors. Once fully processed, the wafer is divided into individual dies, each a tiny functioning CPU. Each die is placed into a protective housing called a package, which includes connections for communication with the rest of the computer. After packaging, each CPU undergoes extensive testing to ensure it meets performance and power consumption specifications. Once the CPUs pass all testing, they are shipped to manufacturers or sold directly to consumers for use in various computing devices.